Is Diglett a hot dog? That is the question, and if he wasn't already, well, he's about to become one. I started by measuring a standard Schneider hot dog, and proceeded to model a dog-lett and Dugtrio in SolidWorks, which is a 3D CAD software. Of course, they're also going to need a Pokeball to carry their hot dog shaped bodies. I know this goes against the logic of a Pokeball being able to contain the size and shape of any Pokemon, but I hope you'll let that slide for this video. Once they were designed, I sent them over to Cura to be sliced, and my Ender 3 V2 to be printed. The Digletts were printed horizontally and required some cleanup using the Dremel. I used some super glue to hold it all together, and some masking tape to hold it together while it dried. I modeled the Pokeballs a bit too small, or their noses a little bit too big, but I had to sand down the noses so that they would fit into the Pokeballs.